problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money.
Yo. Bro, I'm coming. It's a long road, dude. Do you see me now, damn it? What's up? Oh, what up, G?
What's going on?
It's pretty long, man. Suitcases. Come drive.
Yeah.
Come drive. I'll hop on the front. How's the flight?
Little GH5.
Little 6-hour flight from
30 hours of traveling.
Xinjiang, China. Oh, what the?
Miss 14?
Okay.
Beautiful.
Terima kasih, saudara. Selamat malam.
Thank you, bro.
Alright, bro.
Thank you.
Bye.
Give me 5 stars.
Yes. Oh, every time, baby.
Happy holiday.
Let's go.
What do you mean every time? You're only doing this once.
That's fine. There we go. Big Ben's got us.
Hey.
Oh, this place is fucking sick.
Mi casa es tu casa.
Man, this is nice.
Telling you guys, you chose the right
Whoa,
place.
look at this place. Did you add it right here? It's fucking sick. This is incredible.
I'm just good at finding spots, you know?
I found this place. I'm the one.
You guys didn't.
So, jump into the pool from here.
Oh, yeah.
Little interaction.
Little leg breaking.
You think we can break our legs on that thing?
Probably.
But I mean, off the wall, dude, you could do it.
I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all in my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions.
What are you thinking?
Dude, I'm thinking, dude.
Bag in the bucket, and I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why is you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Don't want your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't want your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside.
I'm really scared.
Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve.
What's crazy, Braden?
This is just a spot. We got our setup for the next few months. Beautiful blue water. Good spot, dude. It's incredible. I don't feel jet lagged at all. I feel great. On our way to get some motorbikes right now, but the only way to get there is to 3. What would you call that? So yeah, woo! So we're out in Canggu right now. I don't know if you guys can hear us. It's like a little beach town. Great surfing, great cafes. No helmets. We're chilling. It's literally almost dying.
Yo, look, no hands, look.
No,
Whoa, easy there, Tiger, easy.
Right?
hello.
Get ready for speed bumps, boys.
Sick. Yeah.
So many idiots here. Money exchange? It's closed.
How long until he comes back?
5 minutes?
5 minutes?
Okay, terima kasih. We found him! After like 20 minutes.
Just 2 hours.
Should we just get one of these guys?
Hey! Are the bikes
Safe as probably can be, baby.
yeah? Good to go? Good to go? Good to cross? Good to cross? And shortcut, here we come. replay of that. We are at the main Batu Bolang intersection. Money exchange check, motorbikes check, and motion cafe it is. Oh. We got ourselves a situation, boys. Still looking, boy.
Protein, chocolate whey, peanut butter base, iced matcha latte. Could we do half and half? Almond milk?
Blood chicken.
Yes.
For you?
For me, ma'am, a Turkish breakfast.
What kind of egg?
Poached.
How to cook for the egg?
Poached.
How to cook? Medium egg? I mean soft or...
Oh, make it like drippy. Soft, like. Thank you.
Thank you.
Should have gotten the 8 pieces of chicken, but I'll just steal some of yours, right?
Wait, bikes are good. They're good bikes. I don't think my brakes really work that well, to be honest.
That's the one thing you were supposed to test.
No, yeah, I know, but like, I just got kind of excited and then we were just like, went with it. They're like a 6 out of 10.
Stay hydrated. You look ecstatic, bro.
Listen, man, I'm trying to get a hot rod right now so we can do donuts on the beach.
Ever ridden one of these?
Absolutely not. But
No?
we're gonna learn today.
Like wipeouts and shit?
100%. Dude, no, my mom watches this shit. We can't.
I know, same, man. I'm already gonna get the shit for that balcony scene yesterday.
Yeah.
Dude, there are gonna be so many fails as like neither one of us knows how to ride this thing.
No, I know how to ride this thing. I know how to ride this thing. Alright, we're waiting for the bike right now. Dude, we're vlogging, bro. Let's go, baby.
Chad, you stoked?
So stoked.
No, I think I'm gonna end up riding it, to be honest. There's like a height thing on the bikes.
This is the brake.
Oh, that's the brake, okay. Oh, this is the gear.
Yeah,
gear,
for the
okay.
safety.
Got it, okay. Just like car, just like
Easy, man.
easy.
Slowly.
I just stalled it. Dude, how are we supposed to look cool on this thing if we can't get it together? One more time, boys. Okay, so a little bit of gas. This is bullshit, dude.
Now it's just sad.
Dude, it doesn't even, it's not even cool anymore.
Feel sad. I've never drove stick before. If I get to start right now.
Yo, let him, please. Let him. Yo, get off.
I'm willing to bet money right now that Chad can't start this thing.
I can definitely start it.
Oh, no.
You just lost, bro.
Chad, you gotta shift! This is honestly a bad idea. Ben, you're the father. You let him get bikes.
How was your joyride?
Oh, it was great.
Yeah?
I got so many people say like, "Oh my god, that bike's so sick."
Dude, I hope we don't have any subscribers that like have motorbikes, because I feel like an idiot. Kinda got it. Woo! Big dog, you gotta eat! Okay, they delivered the bike to us with no gas, which makes absolutely 0 sense, and now the damn thing won't start.
Alright, we're around the corner. Got some vodka.
Vodka, I've heard, makes the bikes run the smoothest. Oh my god.
Dude. Whoa. That was good.
Dude, holy.
Dude, is this thing stupid or just dumb?
Should we get some B-roll?
Ben, do your magic.
Ray just let random guys ride the bike.
wrap, Nutter.
That is a wrap.
We out of here.
Beautiful sunset.
Hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll as much as we enjoyed friggin' riding those things.
Comment down below and we will see you all tomorrow. Peace.
Oh.